Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will try to give a first impression in Gemini CLI. It's released recently. You can see Gemini CLI, your open source AI agent. This is the article. I will give the link of this article regarding this product, and this is the GitHub repo. Okay, so let's try to install it first. I'm not going through the doc. Okay, Gemini CLI, this can do many things. Let's install it first. Okay, so this is one of my project, and randomly I'm opening the terminal and trying to do this. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, the command is npm install. I am installing Gemini CLI globally, so that's why the -g. This is a simple typical Laravel application. Let's see if it can be useful with this one. Okay, it's taking a bit time. Okay, it's giving me some errors or warning. Warning. Okay, okay, so it's installed. Let's clear the terminal. Okay, now it's, if I write Gemini, nice. It's asking me to choose a color theme. Okay, so I'm choosing, let's say, dark, and select the auth mode. It's asking to select the auth mode. Let's say Gemini API key or login with Google. I'm using one of my account. I think it's done. After the authentication, now let's try something. What is this current directory project? Just trying what it can capable of. So it's investigating the project scope, it's reading the readme file, it's reading the composer.json file, and now it's inspecting the project scope and app functionalities and searching for the libraries. Okay, let's give us an answer. So I will start by examining the readme file. So based on the readme file, this is a Laravel project. Laravel is a PHP framework for building web applications. To understand what this specific Laravel project does, okay, it's reading the JSON file. Based on the file structure, it's suggesting it's a Laravel framework. It appears to be a management system or similar application feature like user management, content management, and yes, it is right. media library. Yes, there is media library, and there is yes, there are configurable settings option, and I have used socialite here, and I have also a backup module for this. Okay, so let's ask another thing. Can you tell me the installed packages? So let's see, it's again reading the readme file. Yes, got those. Yeah, you see the production dependencies says all these things, and dev dependencies also are this. Okay, let's write another question. Let's say if it can env values, what are the env? Okay, yes, it's saying as it's sensitive information, it will not show this. Okay, let's see some other use cases. Let's explore a new code base. Okay, let's try this one. Describe the main pieces of the system's architecture. It can do many things like automatic workflows, interact with your system, etc. You can also use it for dummy images and other things, and you can also use it with Google AI Studio and sort of things. Okay, yeah, you see it gives a detailed architecture here. This can be helpful when you got a new project. Let's say you joined in a new company and you want to go to the you need to work in a new project. You can use these types of tools to get the first impression or understandings. Okay, let's ask it another question. Let's say, can make a directory named services in appdir. Currently there in appdir there is no services. Okay, let's try this one if it can enable to do this. Okay, it's asking for permission. Okay, allow once. You see a new directory is created here, name services. Okay, that's great. Let's ask another question. What is the PHP Laravel MySQL version? Okay, it's asking again for permission. You can select options by just pressing the arrow keys. Okay, Laravel version is 8. Okay, PHP version 8.3. Okay, and MySQL version it can't enable to define. Okay, let's. So this is the first impression. Let's see, in another video I will check for some use cases of this application. Okay. That's the first impression. I will provide all the links in the description. Okay. That's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.